Hello, and welcome to Vappa's new video on how to properly clean your brushes. This is Chip, and he's going to help with today's video.
Right, here we go.
Stop. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Okay, first you should dab your paintbrushes off, blotting excess paint from your brush. Use one of those paper towels over there. And a rag would do just fine if you don't have one of those. Now that we're back on track for acrylic paints, you want to wipe it from the base of the brush towards the tip with a gentle squeeze. If you do this too hard, it could damage the bristles. It's better this way because there will be less excess paint when you wash it off.
Ah, got it.
A few moments later.
Now it's best to rinse your brushes thoroughly with tepid water, removing as much paint residue as possible. Using a brush tub can certainly help with this process and shake off any excess water afterwards. All that's left to do is swirl your brush into a container of your cleaning soap and gently build up a lather, rinsing and repeating until the foam is white. At the end, you want your brush to be clean and colorless. Finish by blotting off as much as you can, and give it a final rinse in clean water, and
That's it, right?
no, you should also reshape the brush tip, leave it dry, and now you're done. We hope this video was helpful. We leave you with this message, a little rhyme to remember the process. Water is clear, bristles are flat, dry it off, and put it back. Thanks for watching, and as always, live, laugh, and love your brushes. Goodbye.
Bye.